I'm going to be shooting those 8 cans right there. It's my G36 Airsoft Gun. From about 20 feet away, 30 feet away, and 40 feet away. And I got them marked. And I'm just going to do a semi-auto test. Alright, 20-foot test away from the can. Semi-auto test. Okay, now auto. Alright. Ready? Don't tell, they all stood up. Here, we'll do another one. I set up all these cans, me and my brother set up all these cans and targets out here that I'm going to run through and shoot them, all of them, and I'm going to see how long it'll take me to shoot all these targets.
Ready, set, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Opinions are immunity to being told you're wrong. Paper, rock, and scissors, they all have their pros and cons.
Alright, so now we're going to just show a power test. I'm going to put my muzzle right here and shoot one bullet and see how many cans it goes through. There's 8 cans. Okay, I'm going to see if you can get this all.